Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I am covering the my top AI agent coin. Basically the new AI agent coin, basically like 1 month or 2 month old. And this coin that I am giving you guys is the my uh, you can say my advice, but just do your own studies basically regarding to these project. And I have almost invested my like $1,000 in different AI agent, and I think many of the AI agent is still undervalued. But I think these, if this just get some funding and many of the retailer go inside, then it can be a mega return for us. So let's start the video. So first of all, we have the TeUTO. So TeUTO is a AI agent, and basically what you do is to create some AI agents and the like AI trading system, and also their machine learning language. And the thing is that the AI agent is basically work on the two like on the you can say like work on the different purposes. For example, like many of these coins are work like that. Basically, let me just switch to the pencil. Like for example, this is the board, and this is the U. And what a agent just do is this to understand the machine learning and AI automation. Like AI automation can be different, like the work automation, or you can say like the flow automation, anything, or trading automation regarding to this. And this coin is working on the automation. So if you just see their roadmap, their technical components and everything, just go on their website and you can see what it can do. Let's see. And example, you can do anything you want, and just see and join their Discord and you can see further. So this is the first coin, the TeUTO. And my entry strategy is that when the price gets support in the 31 million, and if the price break the 34 million, then I will take an entry again. And my selling position will be like on the half of my position will be sold on 38 million, and the half of it like 43 million, and half of the I will hold. And yeah, so this is the my strategy, and it will do like 100x soon. So this is the thing that you need to know. Just don't buy it right now, it's not a good moment to buy. Just wait and let's see what the market will do. And right now it's forming a pattern, and you guys can see. So yeah, that's so good to go. So next one is we have Alchemist. Alchemist is the basically a bot, or you can say a application app, so in which you can create many agents. You can add some custom features to your agent and train your super model. So basically, yeah, the Alchemist is on the 100 million, and I guess it can go up to like 200 or $1 million. So this is my prediction for the Alchemist AI. It is a good coin also. The second one is the ABB, and it is still undervalued. And the purpose of the ABB is same, is to create automation and make workflow easy. So basically, the ABB is work on the like similar to the like poetry meme making machine. It can create everything and generate photos and different thing. So yeah, so their roadmap is basically here. You can study, and they are investing their token into different protocols or mechanism, and their mainnet and testnet and tokenomic design. So you guys can study. And yeah, and the next one is the Shogat. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, the utility was very good. And yeah, it's pretty simple and the undervalued. Right now it's like sitting on the very high. I just read Shokat when it was like only 29 million. Right now it's sitting on 33 million. I would suggest you to wait and let it just sell. And right now let it come to like 28 million or 29 million or 30 million, then buy it. So yeah, the second last one is my favorite, which is the Griffin, and it's absolutely a beast. And basically Crunch AI is also the sister of the Griffin, basically created on the Griffin. So basically Griffin is the main thing that you need to know, and you need to connect, and you can learn more about the Griffin technology. And if you see their white paper and everything, you can see that you can create a agent and you can train it for various purposes, like buying and selling, and or create a meme coin or create multiple agents. So this is the thing that you need to know. If the Griffin pump, so the other narrative will also pump. And yeah, so many of the projects are right now coming on the Griffin and still undervalued right now. And if we just see the price of the token is right now is the 0.4, and I guess it can go easily up to $30. The last one is the Ava, and Ava is also basically the agent coin, and working on the special, giving you knowledge and working on the special instrument. And yeah, so you can learn and organize, and they are working on the engagement and everything. They have their own story, and they have a immersive content, so you guys can study. And yeah, so these are the things that you need to know. And if you want more undervalued AI agent coin under 1 million, so I can also give it to you. But as usual, there is high risk of getting failure. But if you can take a risk, right now it's forming a breakout. And yeah, so if it form a breakout, it is a possible way to go up. So let me just see. Yeah, right now it's a chance. So what's my strategy is to take an entry point right now here, or just wait for what the price will do. If the price go down, so my entry point will be 266 million, or between the 255 million. So yeah, so these are some strategies that you need to know while trading the AI agent. So this is it for the video, and make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. Thank you, and stay tuned for more.